Good morning, dudes. It's Boxing Day, the day after Christmas. Hey, we're in Walmart again.
Yep.
For discounted Christmas candy this time.
If they have any left.
Happy New Year stuff. Happy New Year stuff. Finally got your Twix?
Yep, gotta figure out what the rest of the candy is though.
Valentine's candy? Then New Year's stuff. Christmas is 50% off.
And then you get a container.
Hey dudes, we're gonna make refrigerator cake.
All you need is heavy cream, condensed milk, and graham crackers.
Time to open it's actually whipping cream. There's no heavy cream here for some reason. Oh, looks like milk. Yellow milk. Push it in. Mix it up. Okay, that's good. Oh, looks like this. Yep. Time to layer it up. So here we have the graham cake, but we need to put toppings in.
These M&Ms.
Come on, Beth, put them in. First graham cake in the USA. Let's see how it looks like. Ooh, it looks... Alright, it did not set properly. That's a shame. So apparently it solidified properly in the freezer, which we should have done in the first place. So yeah, right now it looks pretty good, but it's hard to slice actually. Hey dudes, and I'm going to try Smashmallows, which are gourmet marshmallows, and these are in strawberries and cream. Oh wow, it smells strawberry. Oh, don't smell that directly. Anyway. Here is what it looks like. It's basically pink on the top or bottom, then white. Here we go. Before you actually eat it, there's a weird feeling, a weird taste. But the marshmallows themselves are fine. They look pretty though. They look very pretty. After a while, you get the flavor. It tastes good enough. It's supposed to be strawberries and cream. So yeah, these are Smashmallows. It's snowing again. Second day of snow, and it looks cool though. So white. Good morning, dudes. It's -5 degrees Celsius. It's really cold. I want to enjoy this beautiful white blanket of snow. Enjoying this in a higher temperature because last time it was -11. Also, the sky is clear. The pond is frozen over. Oh no! It's beautiful. It's a lot of snow. Jeez. I see the sun. Well, don't look at it directly though. The contrast of touched and untouched snow is beautiful in person. Dudes, I underestimated how cold it is. Jeez, my hands are starting to burn for some reason. Am I ready for winter? Not really. Ooh, that is deep. Let's make snow prints. Oh, that is deep. Jeez. Woo! Will you look at that? Wow. Hey dudes, I'm back inside. I'm grateful that this house has enough heating that I don't freeze inside this house. Because outside, cold. Ist sehr kalt. It's very cold in German. It's beautiful outside, but it's cold that it's dangerous. It's beautifully dangerous.